The leadership program here at Blythewood Academy that Mr. Stovall instituted, I think is a breath of fresh air, particularly for my family. Thomas, my son, is a member of this group, and he was very, very reluctant. He was not a member by choice. He was a member because his father and I told him he would be. And the transformation that's taken place in Thomas has been nothing short of amazing, because his initial reluctance morphed into just a very active participation on his part, and him stepping up and taking a leadership role with the encouragement from Mr. Stovall. And I want to say that I do believe, I give 100% credit to the relationship that Mr. Stovall took the lead on. Thomas is a quiet young man. He's not very talkative, but Mr. Stovall found a way to bring out the best in him, that best that he would not have just offered freely. And Mr. Stovall was a great inspiration for him. He's been a great inspiration for us because he's shown us that through encouragement and proper relationship and just the way that he interacts with Thomas and the other kids in the program, is such a motivator, and it encourages them to be themselves and to share and to open up, and hearing some of the things that they've shared in the different sessions with Mr. Stovall that they would not necessarily share with parents is so, again, encouraging. Listening to Thomas talk about what was discussed in class is certainly an encouragement to me. It lets me know that he's sharing his thoughts, he's not keeping things bottled up, and he's sharing them with a responsible, mature adult who genuinely cares about their well-being, genuinely cares about helping them on to the right path, steering them onto the right path. So I have great respect and great appreciation for Mr. Stovall and all he's doing with this program. I have a tremendous amount of respect for Mr. Mills, who saw the value in bringing a program like this to Blythewood Academy.